being flexible is both a good thing and a bad thing. You know, if we had to be back for a reason on a certain day, then it makes the decision for you. You know, okay, we got to turn around by this time, or we're not going to make it. We spent a little bit of time this morning trying to decide when this season or this trip is going to be up. It's really hard to do. It's a really difficult thing. We're on the West Coast, and there's just so much to do. And you can justify trying to do even more and even more and even more because you're already out here. Later today, we're going to start heading east, and then we'll see where that gets us. Is that what we decided?
I think so.
But it's really hard.
It is, and we keep changing our mind.
We're rolling. Man, we're rolling, guys. Rolling.
Daddy, so rolling.
Places that I've been.
So there you go. There's even more waves hitting
the faces mine.
Like this, I'm not sure how much of that we can show you. It's going to get really boring. The view is beautiful here. So I think for free we could have seen sea lions. Here they are, all along the bank there, all along that cliff. But they'll give us our $26 back.
With murky miles ahead.
I smell them.
Fate sings soft
sea lion.
Kind of hear the sea lions making their little sea lion noise.
So what kind of sound does a sea lion make?
I don't know.
What did you say it sounds like?
Sounds like a grumpy old man to me.
Go.
180.
They'll find you in the glen.
60.
The horsemen closing in, rumbling, roll. And the wilder blows the wind into the river raging wide. I'll start again.
Okay, so first things first, we did stop at the Sea Lion Cave. It's a private thing that has an elevator that goes down about 180 feet, is that right? And you know, we always say, "Yay, that was really good," or "It was okay," or "I bet better." And I think we both said, "I bet better."
Well, yeah, you know, I don't like to be negative, but
Sea lions weren't in the cave; they were way out on the point, so you could actually see them from the overlook. So we really didn't have to pay. It's, if you're our age, 60 or older, it's $13 a piece to get in.
it's $26 to go down in the cave.
And it was interesting.
It was.
It might have been $5 worth of interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was $26. Okay, so this is what we're doing now. We've been doing this for.
2
We've been
days.
finished with the Sea Lion Cave for about an hour. We ate lunch, and we've been sitting out here trying to decide: do we want to go to Yosemite? Do we really want to go to Crater Lake? When we started looking for places to stay at Crater Lake, there's not really a lot of options that people are giving a lot of really rave reviews. It seems like there's a lot of black dirt and pine needles, and kind of turned me off to going. And we've done some major hikes, and some of those are major hikes. So I'm kind of thinking we might need to save that for another time. We've knocked around the idea of going to Yellowstone. So
It's supposed to rain Friday and Saturday and snow on Sunday in Yellowstone. So
yeah, so we're going to quit talking to you guys, and we're just going to talk, and you're going to see us make this decision.
how many times have we made this decision? though? We keep making it, and then we keep saying,
Okay,
we
so
keep
it's
changing.
from where we are right now. It's 43 hours to our driveway.
Okay.
If we go to Brookings Harbor, which is at the very bottom of Oregon, which meant we would have done the entire Oregon coast.
Kind of what I thought we were going to do.
And so I'll put it in Brookings, Oregon. It's 47 hours. So going to Brookings and then going home. We're about 3 hours away from Brookings, so it's going to add 1 hour to the trip after we stop at Brookings. So tomorrow we would have 44 hours to get home instead of 43 from here. An hour is not that big of a deal. So we can go to Brookings and we can make 4 11-hour days and get home. Or we can continue on to Yosemite and Sequoia National Park and all the others. We're ready to go home, right?
I think we're getting ready. I'm getting
Okay.
ready. I'm ready to turn that way.
Okay.
I'm not ready to go further away from it, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So,
So,
you know, if I felt better about Crater Lake kind of being on the way and
okay.
Yellowstone kind of being
So
on
why
the
don't we
way,
do this?
Yosemite seems to be further away, and maybe it's not. I mean, it is 10 extra hours to get home from Yosemite.
It adds.
and then you've got to include the time it takes to get to Yosemite.
Yeah, so it
Hold
adds
your head.
about 15 hours to our trip. So that adds a couple more days of driving.
But it's driving. That's not
So why don't
even.
we-
That's not even
The time we would
the time we're going
spend.
to stay there.
And that doesn't. I don't
It
care
does
about.
matter. It does matter.
So okay.
The weather's going to be good there, so
Yeah, we checked the weather's going to be really good there. The weather's good. So why don't we do this? Why don't we make a straight line home through Crater Lake and see? We'll just stop and see if the campground is someplace we want to stay for a couple of days and explore Crater Lake, and then continue straight line home.
okay,
Would that work?
that'll work. But that doesn't sound like that's what you want to do. Though.
I can't say that's not what I want.
But I mean, you know, like I said, I did want to go from one end of the coast to the
know.
other. So I don't know.
Crater Lake National Park. It adds 1 hour to our trip. It's probably worth 1
Crater.
hour. Crater Lake adds 1 hour to our trip. Go there.
I'll go to Winnebago.
You really want to go to the end of Oregon? We can. It's okay.
No, we can't.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
But what do you want to do?
I don't know.
You've seen enough?
Well, no, I don't want the last thing I see in Oregon to be this stupid sea lion canyon.
Well, then, if we turn now, it is.
No, we've got another 4 or 5 miles. Surely we'll see something.
Lord have mercy, why can't we make a decision? Why is it so hard?
It would be easier if someone said we had to be home by a certain time.
Or if you just said, I want to do this, just like me saying today, I want to go look for rocks.
And then you told me not to go. You know, and anyway, you've got to do
But I would.
that. Let's, okay, so you're saying, given the choice, we want to finish Oregon.
I'd like to finish.
Frig. Okay, I'll take. We will head towards Brookings.
But then I'm doing right the opposite of what I said I want to do by heading home.
I know you're the one that said you wanted to go home.
No, I'm saying I want to head home. I'm not saying I have to go home. I'm just saying I want to head that way. Which we're heading away from it.
Not really. We still have to go south no matter what we do.
Okay.
We can either go at an angle and go home, or we can go straight south and then turn left.
Okay.
We'll go to Brookings and figure out what we're doing from there.
Okay.
You guys saw it. I'm thinking we didn't really even make a decision. Let's see.
No, we didn't.
7-minute conversation, and I don't think we made a decision.
We did.
We kind of decided that
What we're doing today.
okay, 4 more hours to get to Brookings Harbor.
You know what?
That's not exactly what I thought we were going to decide, but hey.
What did you think we were going to decide?
I don't know. I thought we were deciding whether we were going to go to Yellowstone or Crater Lake or just a straight line home.
I'm sure we have to go south of the home.
We wouldn't be really good truck drivers. I know that.
Might be. Probably just gonna.
This is a terrible place to get out of here.
Wouldn't.
Good and good. Good and good. Sure was coming. Nothing was coming. But, man, this is so pretty. We made the right choice. Look how pretty that is. I gotta tell you, the Oregon coast is a beautiful, beautiful place. We really enjoyed it. Maggie says, whatever we do is fine with
Are
me.
you okay, Maggie?
Oregon coast. Wow.
It's a beautiful view.
That's kind of the way we do things. If we made it, we didn't even make it a mile. We didn't even make it a mile. Nobody's going to want to keep watching us. We're just the most wishy-washy people in the world. Wow. Oh well.
Sleep while you
Wow, that was an awesome bridge.
It was an awesome.
That was awesome. We're in North Bend.
whiskey priest. Hold and take it slow through the habits, pray through the whiskey's way you learn.
Looks like we're
Gold Beach.
at the port of Gold Beach. Wow. A fella could get used to this being the drive-in for a campground for sure. I think so.
Sun is wicked.
It is. Have you seen it? We got the van all backed in and we came down to watch the sunset over the Pacific Ocean in front of some of the haystacks. You can see it's beautiful here. It is simply stunning.